Yesterday we started and learnt about coal and petroleum, which these are the exhaustible natural resources. Now, what is coal? Coal is actually carbon. And how carbon is formed? By the process of carbonization. What is carbonization? It is converting the living organisms into coal. Now, coal is one of the fuels which is used to cook food, and it is used, और इसको हम कोयला भी कहते हैं हिंदी में, which is used as fuel in our homes, in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power. This thermal power question was asked in the Google Meet. Thermal power is the power plant which produces electricity, and it uses coal as raw material. Coal is also used as fuel in various industries. How do we get coal? So today's topic is actually the story of coal. When we burn coal, what do we get? We get carbon dioxide gas, and carbon dioxide gas is not needed for us, and it is part of air constituent. Also we get carbon monoxide, CO. This is very poisonous and deadly for us. In hill stations, if they burn fireplace, they burn koila, and there is no ventilation, then carbon monoxide is formed, and which gets inside our body and it restricts our respiratory tract. How is coal formed? About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest. That means it took 300 million years ago to convert the forest into coal. In low-lying wetland areas, due to natural processes like flooding, आजकल जैसे बाढ़ आ रहे हैं, these processes get buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. So new word you have learnt is compressed. Compression of the forest due to natural processes, and the temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. That means there were layers of, if there was a plant like this and it died and it got stuck and imprint on the soil, again due to weather condition like cloudburst, increased temperature, pressure, again soil was on top of this, again one layer of rocks and soil and rocks like this. These are now called as sedimentary layers, and this now gets compressed. Compressed means ये एक के ऊपर press हो जाएगा due to natural processes. And due to this compression under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. These dead plants, they got slowly converted to coal, and it mainly contains carbon. That is why the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called as carbonization. So today what you have to write is, for what is carbonization? This is the definition you have to write. What will you write here? Under high pressure and high temperature, the dead plants got slowly converted to coal, and this conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called as conversion or carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, it is also called as fossil fuel. This question you have already dealt. And today's work is, in your class or copy, you have to write what is carbonization, and it takes around million years. It is not 10 to 20 years that your plant will die and it will get sedimented. It is millions of years it takes to form this type of carbon. And this carbon is also used in industries. It is very important for us. And also, when heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. I already have told you. This is a picture of a coal mine. If you see the planetarium which is in Khanapara, you can see they have artificially imitated this coal mine. And coal mine, they have to go deep down towards the sedimentary rocks, अंदर बहुत नीचे जाना पड़ता है to find the coal. And diamond is also carbon. Now this coal is processed in industry to get some useful products. This is coke, coal tar and coal gas. We shall be doing this in the next class. Thank you.